I am refreshing my hair. It's been a month, actually a month and some. It's been a month and like maybe 2 weeks. I am washing my hair, I'm moisturizing my hair after about a month. This is like our monthly check-in for the hair challenge. This is my first wash day. This is the state of my hair. Here, listen, ASMR. Guys, okay. I start to like the kind of like natural look. It's winter and I honestly have been playing games. I've been playing games and I haven't been moisturizing as much as I want to. So I'm glad I get to moisturize and restart and wash. Let me know if y'all have been on your moisture game. And yeah, despite shedding, I love this Organique brand hair. It holds up way better than other synthetic brands. And the hair fibers maintain like its integrity, like the texture and soft feel. So even after a month. I'm not lying to you. Every day or every other day, a piece literally will come out. I'm gonna listen to this podcast, enjoy this footage of me doing my hair. Fenugreek and hibiscus aids in preventing hair fall, split ends, and conditioning, which I've seen really help my hair. This deep conditioner on its own is amazing. I find that all these additional ingredients I add another level of moisture and nourishment to my deep conditioner that I need to revive my dry hair. I like to add a couple scoops of MSM powder that forms bonds essential to strengthening keratin in the hair. I really thought a pre-poo was needed, so you saw me go in with my hibiscus and fenugreek spray. Afterwards, I went in with my Tresemme conditioner and just make sure my roots, my hair, my ends were coated with the conditioner to just bring back moisture. I absolutely love Tresemme. It makes my hair feel amazing and moisturizer has amazing slip even though I'm not detangling. Tresemme is just that girl. So I had this bright idea and I unraveled just one braid to check on the state of my hair because it can be tough to assess your actual hair when you have braids sometimes. So my objective was to check on my ends because of lack of thoroughly moisturizing this month and assess the strength of my hair because of a leave-in I had been using and realized was way too harsh. So my ends look fine, however I do have to pick up on the routine. This was not for a length check at all, but I definitely do see them inches, okay? I really just care for my hair, so I wanted to see if it was okay. My hair, however, needed a change in moisturizer, so I used the fenugreek and hibiscus and my trusty Tresemme conditioner. It comes through every time, as you can see. But something important I can attribute to the health and strength of my hair is the fenugreek because it stops hair loss and shedding. This is kind of just how I shampoo normally. I'm getting all up in the roots and doing that twice. I absolutely love the Suave Peppermint shampoo. That's not the one I'm using at the moment. I'm using the almond shea butter one and I'm smelling it because I'm like, do I really want to smell like almonds? No, I don't. I didn't really like the smell. I like the mint line better. It feels fresher, it feels cleaner, and somehow more moisturizing as well. So it sufficiently did the job. And so I'm just making sure I lather my roots and that I massage the shampoo into my roots and just use my fingertips and yeah. This is literally my favorite part because I can feel my hair coming back to life. So I really go in, I'm really heavy-handed, and I go in about like 3 or 4 sections within a section to just make sure that I really coat my braids and make sure that the deep conditioner gets to my hair. And it just felt really, really good. I used up every part of my deep conditioner, and I make sure to really get in everywhere, in the roots, my ends especially, and just making sure that every braid is coated. No braid is left behind. I'm not gonna lie, it was getting kind of late, and the ideal thing to do is just moisturize right after you rinse, but I just put my hair in a microfiber towel and I went to sleep. I'm using a Mael dupe that I found at Burlington and put in the Mael bottle so I could use the dropper. So it has the most important oils that I need, like peppermint, rosemary. Those are at the top. Okay, and then everything else, castor, all those other really good oils are still in there. But yeah. I'm using my same leave-in spray with a recycled effigy bottle because I like the controlled spritz release it gives me. I separated my hair in about 4 to 6 braids and started spraying my ends and my hair. I use this grouping and directional method for all my moisturizing steps. This is my moisturizer by Crisapello. You can find it in the beauty supply. It's a Dominican hair product that I find makes my hair literally melt. Pomade you just saw, I found it at a random South Asian store in Brooklyn, and I really like it. It has shea butter and other amazing oils added to it, so I have to seal my ends. I'm focused on my ends, and I gotta get them ends, girl. Honestly, I'm traumatized by my past experiences, and ever since I started watching YouTuber Glow in Peace, shout out to her, I've been sealing my ends very seriously. But yeah, that's it, y'all. That's the moisture wash and moisture routine. Stay tuned for my retwist routine, guys. But let me know how your first month went. Seriously, I want to know what moisturizers are y'all using. I want to know what shampoos you're using, leave-ins, creams, sealants, protective styles, everything. Okay, I want to know. Let me know in the comments. I will catch you guys in my next video. You know the vibes. Like, comment, and subscribe. Ooh, I'm on time. See y'all in the next one. Peace. Yeah, this is me. Is this how y'all do it?